Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to use the Cash app, but I'm not able to use it. So what's really going on? Today in this video, we'll be going to cover all the details from the Cash app. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so the most important question is the Cash app down? Well, I have checked it out onto the Twitter and here you can see Cash app is down 15 seconds ago. Cash app down. Is Cash app down 1 minute ago? Cash app is down. My money is disappearing. So this is a really important question. What's happening to your money? Is your money disappeared forever? Don't worry guys. Cash app is down as far as I can see. Many people are reporting. So you can take stress out of your head. Cash app is down. The server situation is outage. In fact, here you can see right over here onto the down detector. As of right now, 3,322 outage report. That's a lot amount. That's a lot of outage. And here you can see guys, many people are reporting it. Specifically right here into the United States, there are tons and tons of locations where Cash App is not working. So what's really going on to the Cash App? Well, let's check it out the latest details. What's really going on from Cash App Twitter official page. Do we got any maintenance schedule? When they will going to fix it, the servers? Well, let's check it out all the details. As far as I can see as of right now, many people are reporting that Cash App is not working. So definitely it's a server outage situation going on. So first thing, don't need to worry about it. Now let's check it out the schedule when they'll go and fix the problem. Alright, so this is the Cash App Twitter official page. Let's check it out the latest update. Well, this is the September 6th update. Then right up to that, ping goes with everything. Okay, that's the latest update. But just as of 6 hours ago, and then 2 hours ago, we got this latest tweet. Ping is for everyone. So it appears that they are trying to upgrade this new ping theme onto the card app and pretty much everywhere, and that's the latest update, and that's the reason I can see as of right now, since they are rolling in this new update into the Cash App and all that, pretty much everything. That's the reason Cash App is not working. Let's check it out the Cash App support. Do we got any update over there? Well, here you can see guys, Cash App support has got this update 14 minutes ago. We are aware of an issue that is affecting multiple features of the app, are actively investing. They are actively investigating. Please visit the status Cash App for most recent update. So let's check it out the status, and here you can see guys, Cash App intermittent connection issues. So they have acknowledged that Cash App is having some troubles. They are continuing to investigate this problem, and currently you can't able to send receive money. Cash card is not working. Cash App Pay is not working. You can use direct deposit boost. You can't add cash. You can't take out the cash. No investing, no Bitcoin, no settings, Cash App taxes. So that's the current update guys. Now as far as the latest details goes, it is unresolved incident. They are still looking at the issue. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guess. See you in the next video.